The stuck on purchases error happens because the Xfinity app can't properly sync your payment details with Comcast systems. This is usually due to network problems, outdated app information, or server overload. When the app can't confirm your purchase, it gets stuck. We'll show you how to fix this. First, close the Xfinity app completely and reopen it. Then, try signing out and back into your account. This often forces the app to re-establish the connection to Xfinity's servers. If that doesn't work, restart your device and try again. This clears temporary glitches that might be preventing synchronization. If a simple restart doesn't work, the next step is to clear the app's cache and data. This removes any corrupted or outdated information that may be causing the issue. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Xfinity, go to Storage, tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear data. Note that clearing data may require you to log back into the app. A stable internet connection is crucial for billing sync. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or a stable cellular data connection. Try restarting your modem and router. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it, as it might interfere with Xfinity's secure connections. Outdated versions of the Xfinity app can have bugs that cause billing synchronization issues, leading to getting stuck on purchases. Always ensure you're using the latest version of the app. To update on iOS devices, open the App Store and check for available updates for the Xfinity app. On Android devices, open the Google Play Store and look for updates to the Xfinity app. Comcast frequently releases app updates to fix issues like billing sync problems. The latest version, 8.4.2, released in December 2025, includes specific improvements to billing synchronization. If the Xfinity app continues to fail with stuck purchases, try completing your purchase through the Xfinity website on a computer. This bypasses any issues specific to the app itself. First, open a web browser on your computer. Use Chrome, Firefox, or any modern browser. Navigate to the official Xfinity website. You can search for Xfinity or go directly to xfinity.com. Log into your Xfinity account using your username and password. This ensures secure access to your billing information. Once logged in, locate and complete your purchase. Add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout as usual. If the purchase succeeds on the website, it confirms that the problem is with the mobile app, not your account or billing details. If none of the basic troubleshooting steps resolve the billing sync issue, it's time to contact Xfinity support. Start with the app's help section, which offers automated diagnostics to identify the problem quickly. You can also call Xfinity customer service directly. Prepare your account information and a detailed description of the issue before contacting them. Comcast's data shows that only a small percentage of billing sync issues require full account resets, so most problems can be resolved through support. Looking ahead, Xfinity is implementing AI-driven diagnostics and blockchain-like ledgers to eliminate billing sync issues. These technologies will provide real-time verification and prevent errors before they occur. To prevent stuck-on-purchases errors, always keep your Xfinity app updated and maintain a stable internet connection. Regular updates include bug fixes, while good connectivity ensures smooth communication with servers. Be cautious of phishing scams that mimic reauthorization requests. Always verify links and never enter credentials on suspicious sites. These scams often appear as urgent emails or pop-ups. As biometric verification becomes available, opt for these enhanced security options like fingerprint or facial recognition. They provide stronger protection against unauthorized access and are more convenient than passwords.